Welcome once again to AJP Heart and Circulatory Physiology video table of contents from the editor's desk. The February 1 issue has two great reviews and great original research papers. So let's get started. In a review by Yu et al., the importance of and signaling pathways associated with the TRPV family of cation channels is described. Experiments are described in which targeted deletion of selective members of the TRPG channels results in abnormal cellular function and pathology. A discussion of how TRP channels may become a therapeutic target is also discussed. You'll find this review informative and timely. A second review by Moises et al. Is associated with our recent call for papers on autophagy in the cardiovascular system. In this review, the role of mitophagy in cardiovascular function and disease is discussed, in addition to mitophagy's role in cardiovascular aging and the potential for therapy are also reviewed. In a study by Ramila et al., the role of cardiac taurine phosphorylation was investigated. These investigators tested the hypothesis that taurine deficiency leads to alterations in SR calcium ATPase activity related in part to reduced phospholamban phosphorylation. This study supports the observation that taurine-deficient hearts develop systolic and diastolic defects in part by reducing SR calcium ATPase activity at specific calcium concentrations, a change related in part to reduced phospholamban phosphorylation. Finally, in a study by Zhao et al., the role of overexpression of adenyl cyclase 5 on arrhythmogenesis was investigated. SR calcium release as well as intracellular calcium was increased in myocytes overexpressing adenyl cyclase 5 from mice. The role of SERCA2A, calcium calmodulin, and CAM kinase 2, as well as phosphorylation of the ryanodine receptor, was investigated at rest and in the presence of isoproterenol. Action potential duration was significantly lower in transgenic myocytes. The authors conclude that AC5 overexpression promotes arrhythmogenesis by reducing SR calcium overload and hyperactivation of the ryanodine receptor, which in turn induces spontaneous calcium waves and after depolarizations. Thank you for listening once again to the video table of contents. Go to the AJP Heart and Circulatory Physiology website and check out the other great publications this week. We will see you in 2 weeks, and don't forget, send us your best work now.